Good morning, children. Welcome to EVS class. Today we are going to discuss about the time to play, when we have to play and how we have to spend our leisure time. Normally in our school you will be having a leisure period, that is a games period. Okay, PT period. You will be going and playing games. So PT means physical training. What is PT? Physical training. So the person who is a PT teacher, he is called as physical trainer. So what is he doing? He is making you to play few exercises. He is making you to play few games so that you are going to be fit physically. Okay. Now let us know about playing. Okay, playing games is important. It is a good exercise for the body and mind. It keeps us fresh and active. Yes, it is a good exercise which is always making you fresh and active. Whenever you spend your time by playing, no, you will be feeling fresh and active. It gives us energy to work. Okay, whenever you are feeling fresh and active, you will be doing your work properly. Okay, so it will give you energy. Playing games is the best form of entertainment and recreation. Normally, whenever you are having free time, you will be watching TV or playing video games. All those things, no, those are nothing but entertainment. And recreation means you will be feeling fresh and active. So you will be doing uh, to become fresh and active, you will be doing something, so that is nothing but recreation. So you are here feeling fresh and active after doing anything that you like. For example, painting. After doing painting, no, you will be feeling fresh and active. That is nothing but you have spent some time in recreation. Now, recreational activities are the things that we do when we are not working. They help us to relax. The time spent on recreational activities is called leisure times. The time spent during on recreational activities is called leisure times. Games that are played inside the house are called indoor games. For example, chess, ludo, caroms, snake and ladder, etc. Games which are played outside the house or outside a closed door is called as outdoor games. So, for example, hockey, cricket, football and tennis. These are played either in the lawn or all in the playground. Okay. Now we are seeing the pictures of ludo, caroms, chess and snake and ladder. Okay, these are called indoor games. Now anyway it is a pandemic time, so we are not allowed to go out like before. So you can spend your time by playing indoor games. Indoor games also make you fresh and active. It will always make your mind to work properly, because here you are using your thinking skill. Okay, you are using your brain, and at that time you are thinking lot. What should be the next step, how it will turn your game, like that. So it will also make you fresh and active. Now team games, cricket, hockey, football, basketball, volleyball, etc. are some popular games. Playing team games teaches the values of teamwork and cooperation. Games spent Now we are playing games, no, it will teach you few values, children. How to work in a team, how to cooperate with each other, how you should be friendly with each other, how you should play accordingly so that your team wins, like that. ఎలా ఆడితే మన టీం విన్ అవుతుందో, ఎలా ఒకళ్ళకొకళ్ళు కోఆపరేట్ చేసుకొని ఒకళ్ళొకళ్ళు అర్థం చేసుకొని ఎలా ఆడాలో అవన్నీ మీకు టీమ్ గేమ్స్ నేర్పిస్తుంది. నా ఫస్ట్ పిక్చర్ ఈజ్ టెన్నిస్, సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ హాకీ, థర్డ్ వన్ ఈజ్ క్రికెట్, నా నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఫుట్బాల్ అండ్ దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ త్రో బాల్. So here, the next one is volleyball. So you are playing few outdoor games which are making you know about teamwork, team spirit. So You will be not playing for your own win. You will be playing for the team win. So it will be teaching you how to work together. Okay. Now, games in the past. In the past, when there was no television or video games, children were healthier. They ran in open fields. They played outdoor games like skipping, kabaddi, seven tiles, hide and seek, hopscotch, langri tanga, etc., which required a lot of energy. Okay, skipping, no, you will be playing that game by using a rope, and we'll be jumping on that rope. Huh? And then kabaddi game you already know. Yes. And seven tiles are the game where, see here, you can see seven tiles or seven toes. They will be keeping seven stones one above the other, and then a person with a ball will be hitting it, and after that the person should keep all the seven stones one above the other again. So that game is called as seven stone games. And one more game is skipping here, and kabaddi. All these games were used in the past, means in your previous generation. In our generation we used to play these types of games for in our leisure time. Some indoor games that girls played were Gargar with dolls and gitti. So it is Gargar means one type of game where we girls use teacups and all those things, and they will be cooking something and like that playing. Okay. The older children enjoyed wrestling while the younger one plays gilli danda and marbles. You know wrestling? Kusti means wrestling. That game is called Kusti in Hindi and Telugu also. So while the younger ones played Gilli Danda game is playing with the help of a stick. Now see here, this is a hopscotch game. Hop, they will be hopping and going at the end again they will be hopping with the help of some numbers. Next game is hide and seek. So he will be telling numbers and others will be hiding, and then you have to catch that person who is hidden, and then you have to hit the wall or a tree like that. So that person will become out. This one is Langri Tang. Langri Tang means this game is called hopping. One leg you should lift up, and with the help of the other leg you have to hop like a frog and then catch the other persons. Now this is Gilli Danda. This is played with the help of a stick and a long stick and a small stick. They will be making a hole inside the ground and then keeping the small stick horizontally. Then అడ్డంగా ఇలా స్టిక్ పెడతారు. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్ వాట్ దే విల్ డూ, దట్ పర్సన్ విల్ hit that stick here. First remove that small stick and hit that big stick. In the next step you can see that boy is hitting the small stick like that. The next one is marbles ante golilu, small marbles which is transparent and seen in different colors. That game is called marble games. Few people know they will select games as occupation. There are some people for whom sports is an occupation. Cricket players, hockey players, no, they will be playing all up to the age of 40 years till they are physically fit, and they will be earning money for their livelihood. We will be doing some sort of work like teaching, farming, stitching, agriculture, all those things we have learned, no? So we earn money for the livelihood, no? Like that these sports person play games for their livelihood. They will be getting lots of money. See here, Sachin Tendulkar, Vishwanath Anand, Abhinav Bindra, Saina Nehwal, Sania Mirza. There are many players who have won gold medals and many other awards and many other trophies for India. Okay, they will be paid for it, but here what are they doing? They are playing games out of their interest, and they as well as they are earning money also. So you have to spend your leisure time by playing, and when you are playing, no, you will be creating some sort of interest, then that will you can plan it as a career also.